Hey, my name's Ape. Please come on in. This is our latest new indie band. That it's really original. It's something that's never been done before.
Hey, you guys. Hey.
Is that a camera? Right. We want to take you through our latest song. It's called "She's an Indie Girl." It's something it's never been done before.
It totally rocks, man.
It's never been done before.
I can't wait to do it.
Original.
That's how you do it.
Let's show you our latest song we're working on. Come on. Right, we're Harry and the Seagulls. This is Indie Girl. Take it away, Adam. 2, 2, 4. She has a face, and she exists. She goes on MySpace, and she goes to parties. She's anorexic, which I think's cool. And when she breathes, her diaphragm moves down, like most people and stuff. She's got skinny legs, you can put straws round them. Oh yeah, baby, yeah, etc. I caught a cat, I put a plastic bag on its head, I suffocated it, I threw it in my shed, oh yeah, I got a whip for my birthday, I killed my epileptic son with it, I swallowed his dead body, threw it in a cesspit, oh yeah. She hates labeling. She goes on MySpace, 40,000 photos. She wears a headband on her face. She does photography, which makes her smart. It's very original, and it's a good thing. Because they're cool. She likes me, don't her day, and sure should you. Oh yeah, baby, oh yeah, solo! She's an indie girl. She's an indie girl. She's an indie girl. She's an indie girl. Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. Good night. Thank you for coming.